In this course, participants will learn the 3 variables in every discipline problem, the primary and secondary needs of every student, and the 4 primary causes of misbehavior. Introduction. This course is intended to be a professional foundation for managing the behavior of students, as well as your own. Foundations are vitally important in learning to be a good, caring, and effective disciplinarian. An important part of discipline is professional understanding of the teacher's role in discipline situations. To be effective, a teacher must first adopt specific professional attitudes. Second, a teacher must understand the predictable behavior which results from individual student needs. Third, a teacher must take a strategic